Alright, y'all, we just made it to Albaran. We are driving to Tbilisi, Georgia. Let's go. We've made it to Lori. Quick stop. From here it's about an hour and a half to the border, and then another hour and a half to the Tbilisi. So we got about 2.5, 3 hours left. The whole drive is about 5.5 hours from Yerevan. Alright, so we just crossed the border into Georgia. Now we have a 2-hour drive to the capital city of Tbilisi. Dawno. So we had the khachapuri, we saw Old Tbilisi, and now we're gonna do the sulfur baths. made it to the sulfur baths. Now we just gotta change and get in. So we just finished the sulfur bath here in Tbilisi. It's really good for your skin. You can feel it as soon as you get out. There's a really strong smell of sulfur here. Once you get over that, it's not too bad. It's an old historic building. It's a blue building. You can't miss it. It's definitely worth checking out though if you're in Tbilisi. Alright, so we just left the sulfur bath. It's definitely worth it if you're visiting Tbilisi, just for the history and the culture of it. Also, it feels really good. The only thing is, you kind of smell like sulfur afterwards, but still definitely worth doing. Tbilisi is really beautiful at nighttime too. So this morning we had khachapuri, khachapuri, and tonight for dinner we're having khinkali, a couple different types of khinkali at a really good khinkali place. Let's go inside.